Are you a US-based engineering leader trying to land your next role, but you're finding that applying online is not cutting it? You are not alone. In fact, the most successful job transitions at your level, they rarely come from cold applications. They come from conversations. This video is your deep dive into exactly how to build the kind of strategic relationships that are going to unlock opportunities. If you have not yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so that you can never miss the advanced job search tactics that I share every single week. My name is Stoltzfus. I'm the founder of the Job Hackers Network. I help US-based engineering leaders in the technology industry to stand out by networking directly with hiring leaders without wasting time on job boards, without wasting time with recruiters who never respond. In our last video, Networking 101, I laid the foundation for why networking is the #1 skill that every underemployed tech leader must master. If you missed that, I'll link it down in the description below and go ahead and watch that at the end of this video. Today, we're going deeper into the mindset, the targeting and the tactics, and how to use networking to drive real career momentum. If you want to take the most direct route to landing your next role through strategic networking, and you're seeking process, coaching, and a community to do that with, then I want to speak with you directly. Grab a time on my calendar for a job search strategy call via the link in the description below, and we can talk about my program, the Job Hackers Method. Let's start with a mindset shift that changes everything. Networking is not about asking for a job. It's building relationships based on shared value long before you need a job. At your level, people want to connect with other forward-thinking leaders. And that means the most successful networking starts when you lead with insight, not with a request. So here's a mental model. Don't network to get, network to give. Be the person who shares an article, makes an introduction, or comments on others' insights before you ever ask for anything. This longer-term approach, it builds trust, it builds credibility, and it's not about checking a box. It's about building your career equity. Now, let's talk strategy. Who should you actually be connecting with? At the director level, for example, so we'll use that. You want to think across 3 key categories. #1 is going to be industry peers. And these are going to be people in similar roles to you at other tech companies, people doing similar things to you. #2 is decision makers, engineering VPs, CTOs, or GMs in your space. #3, future advocates. Those adjacent to the hiring leader, like product leads, potentially HRBPs, or even staff engineers with influence. But you should also think both horizontally and vertically as you're networking. Networking across or horizontally, it builds support and referrals from your peers. However, networking up, it opens doors to opportunities that haven't even been created yet. LinkedIn is your power tool here. Use filters, groups, and alumni networks to find the right people. But let's be real. Most messages on LinkedIn, they're ignored, right? Because they sound generic or self-serving. So here's what works instead. You want to start with context, show relevance, and give a reason to connect. So here's a quick example. Hi, Alex. I saw your recent post on scaling teams in hybrid environments, and it really resonated. I've been tackling similar challenges, and I'd love to learn how your team approached it. Notice what this message does. It's specific. It's about them. And it also shows shared experiences. It talks about areas they're gonna get value from the conversation. If you have a mutual connection, ask for a warm intro. A simple note like, would you feel comfortable connecting me with Alex? I'd love to learn more about how they scaled their team at Stripe. And something like this is low barrier to entry. It works beautifully. Follow-up is also key too, but don't be pushy. Instead, follow them, engage with their content, and drop a quick message a week or so later referencing something that they've posted. People put a lot of thought effort into their content, so engage with it. That way, you're not cold anymore. You're familiar. Here's how to make sure that your network doesn't forget about you by nurturing them for the long game. #1 here is you want to stay visible. Comment with thoughtfulness. Share relevant insights. Tag people when it's appropriate. Don't randomly tag people, but tag people when it's appropriate. LinkedIn is your daily stage. #2, be generous. Give back. Introduce others. Reshare wins from your network. Or message somebody to say, thanks for the insight you posted last week. It made me think about our API strategy. Number 3, you gotta show up to be visible. Go to things like virtual meetups, Slack groups, or industry panels. These can often be gold mines. When attending in-person events, have one goal: make 5 meaningful connections, not grab 50 business cards. Relationships grow with consistent, authentic touches. It doesn't need to be daily. Monthly works, and it works just fine when it's meaningful, when it stands out. Are you ready to start or optimize your job search process? Do you feel stuck and need help connecting the dots? Join this free web class where you'll learn the step-by-step formula to control your career progression. We've helped hundreds of experienced engineering and operations leaders just like you to build their brand and grow their impact. Register for this exclusive training today to step into the driver's seat of your career. If you're finding this helpful and you want a deeper system to apply all of this, then check out my free training, Unleash Your Career. In that training, I'm gonna walk you through how to build your value proposition, get in front of hiring leaders, and generate opportunities that aren't even posted yet. You're gonna find the link to that in the description below. So, how do you actually use your network when you're ready to make a move? Step number 1, you wanna make the ask strategic. Instead of, do you know of any openings? Instead of that, say this: I'm exploring director level roles where I can lead large scale back-end infrastructure teams. If you know someone leading a team like that, I'd love an intro. You want to make it easy for somebody to help you by being specific. Number 2, ask for introductions. Don't be shy here. People want to help, but they need to know how. That specificity is what makes it easy. And always express your gratitude, your thanks. Number 3, give back. Even if you're not working, you still have something to give. You have your experience, you have your insights, you have the people that you're out there connecting with, and you have the perspective that is highly valuable to the people that you're connecting with. You might want to share an article, you might want to mentor someone, or offer a warm intro of your own. Because you're networking, you have those intros to make. Networking isn't a tap that you turn on when you need a job. It's a flywheel, it's continuous. Once in motion, it drives value for years. So let's provide a quick recap here. Networking isn't about asking, it's about giving. Be intentional about who you connect with. Make your outreach personal, not transactional. Nurture your relationships with generosity and consistency. And when the time is right, ask, but ask smartly. If this video helped you rethink how to network at the director level, then hit subscribe, tap the bell, and drop a comment below with your biggest networking challenge. And if you want to go deeper, check out one of these videos next as you build your brand and grow your career, and then ultimately your influence. I'll see you in the next one.